Highland cows make you smile, you're going to love this collection. I found 15 playful, practical, and downright adorable ways to bring a little Highland cow personality into everyday spaces. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases at no extra cost to you. Thank you for supporting Pamela's Best Finds. We'll start with some fun finds that bring Highland cow charm into the spaces and routines you use every day. This kid's backpack definitely knows how to have fun. Pink flowers, butterflies, a cow in sunglasses, and a bold bow give it plenty of personality, while the roomy design makes it useful for school outings and travel. Here's a practical kitchen essential with a whole lot more character. The sunflower-crowned Highland cow, western boots, and little floral details turn an ordinary paper towel holder into something worth leaving out on the counter. These 3 kitchen prints each have their own sense of humor. One cow has the green beans, another has the coffee, and the third is enjoying the wine, making this set especially fun for a kitchen or coffee nook. Storage doesn't have to look boring. These bins combine useful everyday organization with a pretty Highland cow flowers and butterflies so they can stay out where you actually need them. This 4-piece bathroom set gives the whole room a coordinated look at once. The turquoise weathered wood design, white daisies, and Highland cow artwork bring together the shower curtain, toilet cover, and matching mats. Next are the finds that lean into comfort, humor, and those little decorative touches that make a room feel more personal. If your bathroom could use a sense of humor, these 4 prints have it covered. Each one features a different silly Highland cow bathroom scene, making the set playful without taking up any extra space. This laundry basket is useful enough for everyday chores but pretty enough to leave in view. The embroidered Highland cow and floral details soften the look, while the roomy basket can handle laundry, towels, blankets, or extra household storage. A Highland cow sitting in a laundry basket full of colorful socks feels pretty appropriate for laundry room decor. It's cheerful, quirky, and an easy way to make a hard-working room feel a little more fun. This shaggy Highland cow isn't just adorable, it's weighted too. At 23 inches long, it makes a soft companion for relaxing on the sofa, curling up in bed, or simply adding a very cuddly cow to the room. This one gives you something to make before you get to display it. The wooden pieces build into a Highland cow clock complete with a pendulum, so it's part puzzle, part project, and part conversation piece. For our final group, we're moving from soft finishing touches indoors to Highland cow personality for the kitchen, floor, and garden. This throw brings together a sweet Highland calf, sunflowers, and warm seasonal details in one cozy design. Drape it across the sofa, keep it near your favorite chair, or use it whenever you want an extra layer of softness. These 3 coordinated kitchen mats bring a completely different Highland cow look to the floor. The distressed turquoise background, white daisies, and Western-style details make them especially suited to a rustic or farmhouse kitchen. For something bolder, this rug puts the Highland cow front and center. Pumpkins, daisies, and rich floral details surround the cow against a darker background, creating a statement piece with plenty of color and personality. This fountain combines moving water, warm lighting, and an unexpected little Highland cow tucked right into the design. Water cascades through 6 rocky tiers, making it a charming focal point for a patio, porch, or garden area. And finally, this little garden cow proves that the smallest finds can still have plenty of personality. At only about 6 inches tall, the seated Highland cow holds a solar lantern and makes a sweet accent among flowers, pots, or other garden decor. That's all 15 Highland cow finds. If you spotted a favorite, you'll find the complete collection linked in the description below. Thanks for watching Pamela's Best Finds, and I'll see you in the next one.